Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. Today is gonna be quite exciting video. For first time I will open it my Amiga 500 Plus. I just received it from eBay. Well, actually I bought on eBay and it come from UK. Unfortunately it didn't come in a one piece. The shipping box got few impacts or so. It's got some damages. And a couple keycaps was lasted in action pretty much. They've been busted pretty bad. Then the housing over here, I'm not sure if camera is gonna pick it up, but it's busted. This corner is also kind of cracked and destroyed. I mean, all around it's not that bad, to be honest. It can be worse. Like this controller was in a box also. I mean, it's not salvageable. It's pretty bad. Then some other stuff is destroyed beyond repair, or you not can use it. Anyway, what it's gonna do right now, I'm gonna open it, we're gonna inspect it, Amiga 500 Plus, and then we will try it power it. When I was purchasing this Amiga on eBay, the seller tried to be as honest as possible. He mentioned it, he did power it. It powers no problem. But anytime when he tried put floppy disk in and play it some game or so, I mean see if it boots from disk, it will give you a black screen. He was not really sure what's going on or what it did cause that issue, what it can be, and pretty much that it's gonna be sold as is for parts or repair. And I thought, well, might as well, I should get and see how lucky I am. And with Amiga 500 Plus, there's the one thing it can go, well, there's a lot of things can go wrong inside, but the biggest concern, that's clock battery, real-time clock battery. If that guy is gonna go bad and start leaks, the acid will ruin it, will eat main board or motherboard, and then it's gonna be a big trouble. Well, inside you already can see, I mean, probably doesn't look too pretty. I mean, that metal shielding, it's really bad. The silver coating is gone. A floppy disk can get some oxidation, but it's alright. The metal shielding, I'm not gonna use it anyway. The keyboard, actually, like I said, one keycap stud is stuck there. I'm gonna try it, see if I can pull it. Most likely the broken key, I may find it on eBay or so. The keyboard looks kind of right, I mean, all around. Okay, then let's remove the screws. Oh, it has a Torx. Now I need a different screwdriver. I will be back. Okay guys, I just recognized that Amiga 500 Plus, it has that plastic keyboard support, that which is really nice. On Amiga 500, at least on mine, it didn't have that keyboard support. Well, let's look at board closer. The board itself actually looks, I mean, for first glance, looks pretty good. And the previous owner did remove a battery already, and looks like there almost no corrosion. It's got slightly little bit on a positive lid or so. I believe that's a positive. And everything else looks pretty good as far as I can see. We're not gonna remove it completely board to inspect our backside. We should, but we're not gonna do right now. Let me plug it and then we will power it. Okay guys, let's power it and see if it's gonna work. And the good things with using different power supply, First of all, we eliminate some problem if there's a problem with old power supply. Like the customer the seller stated, the system will boot to a first screen, but as soon as we put it a floppy disk, it will give us a black screen. Let's see how lucky we are. Actually, I can hear it. It reads. Yeah, it reads, no problem. Maybe it was a power supply issue. Let's check keyboard. Keyboard is kind of bad news right there. Yeah, looks like keyboard probably needs cleaning, or maybe even replacing a membrane assembly. Well, it looks like probably half of them doesn't work. Well, it's like I said, I mean, it's pretty old system, and in some cases those keyboards gonna give up. Let's see, the memory, 1 megabyte of memory, chip memory, fast 0 and slow RAM 0. That's probably right. Test out memory, that's gonna take forever. Floppy drive we're not gonna do. Let's check mouse and keyboard. Both button works, trackpad work. Joystick, I'm using my favorite one, this guy. Let's see, up and left, right works. B1. Let's see what else it can be. Oh, and N2. Button 3 is not implemented in this controller. Then let's check audio. That's you checking different channels. That's frequency. Actually, let's check frequency. Oh, I'm not sure if camera is gonna pick it up, but I can hear the high pitch whistle sound. Yep. Okay, everything, well, at least so far it looks alright. Let's check video signal. Well, here I'm not really sure how I can tell. I mean, it looks alright to me. It's okay, system reset. Let me pull it out this disk. Let's try to boot the game and see if game is gonna boot. There you go. Most likely that was a power supply has some issue with throwing a black screen, because the seller was saying he tried multiple, I mean more than few discs, and they all give him a black screen. This game is pretty cool. Let's see the sound. Oh yeah. That's actually pretty good. Well, I'm glad it's working. A keyboard, I will have to take it apart, clean it, fix it, see if it's fixable. I see a lot of people try to recover those membrane switches. In my opinion, I mean, depending if they, how much they cost. If it's like 40-50 bucks, probably just make sense. Maybe just replace it with new one. Then you know for sure it's good for another 10-20 years. Because when you replace it, I mean, when you repair it with some wires or so on a flexible membrane switch, it probably will not last long. Otherwise, like I said, I'm quite happy with this purchase, and I'm really happy with previous owner did remove the battery. That's a big thanks to him, because otherwise the board will be corroded and it was being destroyed. Well guys, pretty much that's it for today. I mean, for this video at least. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Do like this video. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it.